Now that we have completed the application, we'll be making a few final edits like creating the client URL over here and then updating the pages like portal and id.js with the process.environment.client URL. So instead of having localhost colon 3000 at every point, we will be basically making use of the client URL variable. Once that's done, the next thing that we will be performing is creating a GitHub repo so that we can further take it and deploy it to various sites like Vercel, where we can create our own website by connecting the GitHub repositories. So that will be a task that you need to perform at your end, but here we'll see how we can create a GitHub repository right from our terminal. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll run a command GitHub repo create next SaaS, and you'll be prompted with this message. In case you don't have GitHub CLI, you can download it by visiting cli.github.com, and you can download it for the operating system that you're on. And as you can see, I have executed this command gh login, and it has asked me certain questions like what account do you want to log into, what is your preferred protocol, authenticate Git with your GitHub credentials, how would you like to authenticate GitHub CLI. And once I have given the answers, I have been provided with this one-time code. Pressing enter, open up this page, and all I need to do now is click on continue. Once that's done, I need to provide the authentication code. Let me do that quickly. And once you provide that, the account is connected. Let's go back over here, and you can see that it says logged in as SkillBakery. Now let's run this command gh repo create next SaaS, and also specify whether you want the repo to be public or not. Like in my case, I'm making it public, and you can see that it has created this repo now. And the next step is going to be pretty straightforward. We'll be adding all the files by saying git add dash, and this is going to add everything. Once that's done, we need to commit this, and we can do that by writing git commit -m and then specify the comment, and finally we'll be pushing it to origin. So we have now added the origin, and let's go ahead and run the command again. And here we have executed the command get push set upstream origin master, and as you can see, it has now uploaded the content to our repository next SaaS. Now let's open up the repo, and if I go ahead and see the repositories over here, you can see next SaaS is coming up, which is a public repo. Clicking on this will give you access to all the files that we have created. So now you can make use of Vercel and such packages where you can, take this further and make it live.